How do I read a certificate of insurance? If you have ever received a certificate of insurance and wondered what all the information means, you are not alone. Understanding this document is important for anyone dealing with auto insurance. Let's break down how to read it effectively. A certificate of insurance is a document that shows proof of insurance coverage. It is often used in both personal and business contexts. This certificate verifies that the entity listed has the necessary insurance policies in place. First, let's look at the basic components of a certificate of insurance. The first section is the producer information. This part lists the insurance agent or broker who issued the certificate. You will find their contact details here, which can be helpful if you have questions. Next is the insured information. This section identifies the person or organization that purchased the insurance coverage. Make sure the name matches the entity that is supposed to be insured. Then we have the certificate holder information. This section lists the entity receiving the certificate. However, just being listed as a certificate holder does not automatically mean they have rights under the policy. The insurance company information follows. This part lists the insurance companies providing the coverage. Each company is identified, along with the types of policies they offer. Now let's talk about the policy details. This includes the policy numbers, effective dates, and coverage limits. It gives a summary of the insurance policies in place. When it comes to car insurance, a certificate of insurance is often used to confirm that a vehicle is insured. It is essential to check that the certificate lists the appropriate types of coverage. This includes liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. You should also verify the coverage limits. These limits are typically expressed in terms of bodily injury and property damage. Make sure they are adequate for your needs. Additionally, if there are deductibles, verify those as well. A deductible is the amount you must pay out of pocket before the insurance coverage kicks in. If you see that you are listed as an additional insured, understand that this does not necessarily grant you legal rights under the policy. The actual policy terms will dictate your coverage. Practical applications of reading a certificate of insurance include verifying that a contractor or business partner has the required coverage before starting any work together. It is also important to ensure that the certificate complies with any contractual or legal insurance requirements. Lastly, regularly review certificates to keep them up to date. This ensures they reflected any changes in coverage or policy details. By understanding how to read a certificate of insurance, you can better manage your car insurance needs and ensure compliance with any insurance requirements.